We are just getting ready to leave the hotel here in Gamgadhi. You can just about see through the fog there to the other side of the valley. It's quite spectacular. So it's going to be another big day today. The itinerary has us going to Rara for 2 days, but we decided to cancel that and have a rest day here in Gamgadhi instead. But on the way back from Rara, we were planning to go from Rara Lake, which is west of here, and then go to Bam, which is just north of here, in 1 day, and then to Jamigara in a second day. Jomigara, sorry. But what we're planning on doing is going all the way from Gamgadhi to Jomigara in 1 day, so it's about a day and a half of hiking. So it's going to be another one of these horrific long days, and I think there's 1,800 meters of climbing to do, so it's going to be another real struggle. We made a valiant effort to get the hotel to make us breakfast at 5, but the guy rolled into the kitchen at 6:15, so we cancelled breakfast and got a refund. We're heading off now. Well, there was absolutely no way we were getting to Jogimira today. Just wasn't going to happen. The combination of huge heavy packs with all this food that we've just picked up at our resupply and the baking sun. I mean, we were just stopping for breaks every 10 minutes or so. So we've only really just got past Bam, which was only really about halfway, and we've got to a place called Dharke Khola camp. We were expecting this to be a campsite, but it looks like since the map was drawn, there's a new road that we've been walking along, and there's no campsite here anymore. But there is this guest house here. Well, I say guest house, we haven't actually managed to get inside yet. There's some chap trying to open it up for us, but not expecting much. This place is really pretty basic. The towns we've been trekking past, Bam and the other places, interesting. But the people have been very strange as well. Very colourful clothes, ladies, but not incredibly friendly. The occasional really friendly one, but mostly sort of kind of odd. But there we go. That was today. Long day, absolutely exhausted. The baking sun.